I believe that he just gave the signal that he's good to go, that this will be it. The world record attempt. Travis Pastrana moments away from flying a car.
That was sick. Oh, it's slick. Ow. Oh, man. That was way slick. Oh, it's so slippery.
Man has flown a car. Travis Pastrana on top of the world. Happy New Year. Wow.
Oh, is there anything in there?
No one has ever done that. No one ever attempted that. A world record by far. We will get the official distance a little later on, but for now, just take this in. And he backflips into the harbor to cap it.
Wow.
Can you believe that?
No limits, baby.